Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Check your operating system version and free disk space so the update can install cleanly. Once done, close all browsers and background apps to prevent file conflicts. Next, open the browser or the Microsoft Store and navigate to the installed YouTube app, extension, or PWA page. This is where you trigger the update. You do this because installs modify core files, and preventing interference lowers the chance of errors during the update process. Now perform the actual update. In Chrome or Edge, open the menu, go to Extensions or Help right arrow about, then check for updates. The browser updates extensions or built-in PWAs. If you installed YouTube through the Microsoft Store, open Downloads and Updates and click Get Updates. Allow any permission prompts and make sure to restart the browser or app when prompted. Restarting completes file swaps and clears cached code, so the new version runs correctly and avoids unpredictable behavior. Complete the process by opening YouTube and confirming new features or version info to ensure the update succeeded. If playback, login, or UI issues appear, clear the browser cache and data first. That resolves most conflicts by forcing new resources to download. If problems continue, reinstall the extension or app and make sure your OS and browser are up to date. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing fixes it, switch to an alternate browser temporarily to determine whether the issue is browser-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.